Jai Hind students, myself Vinay Srivastav, your informatics practices subject teacher. Today I am here to tell you some tips for your board exams that will help you to achieve better marks. So first thing, that subject name, it is informatics practices and the subject code is 065. You have to write all details in your board exam copy, so you must know these details. Now, first thing to discuss, that is the marking pattern. I am talking about the theory marks. Basically, theory is of 70 marks, practical is of 30 marks. So practical marks is not here, only theory I am telling you. And you can see the distribution of marks topic wise. Data handling and pandas data visualization is of 25 marks. Database query using SQL 25 marks. Introduction to computer networks 10 marks. Societal impacts 10 marks. So total 70. This is the marking pattern, and you are the first batch who is going to appear for this new paper pattern, where you have a MCQs also, you have a multiple type questions, you have a case study based questions. So you have to practice all the papers given by board as well as the papers given to you in pre-board exams. So here's some tips I'm going to tell you. First, that read instructions and questions given in question paper very carefully, because a lot of questions instructions are given to you for different questions, so you have to read it all nicely. Plan your study as per weightage of the chapters. Already I have told you the weightage of chapters, so accordingly you have to plan your study. Answer all questions in sequence. Either you have to follow the ascending order from one then till the last, or from the last to one. Any order you can follow, but try to answer in order only. Write neatly and support your theory answers with appropriate program example. So it's a good practice when you write some theory, and if you write a supporting examples also. So always make a practice of supporting examples with theory answers. Revise output and identifying error based question twice. So these questions actually you must revise so that you are sure that whatever outputs you have written, whatever errors you have identified, they are correct. Answer all subparts of a question at one place. Do not write the answers on different pages of a same question. If you start one question, please complete the whole question. And if you find some answers you don't know, you can leave the space for that. That would be a good practice. Write option as well as answer of MCQ type questions. So in MCQ type questions, you must write the option. Suppose option C is correct, so C along with the answer of C. Start answer of next question after 2 line spaces. It increases readability of your answers. So must leave some gap between the questions, so that if you want to add something after the question done, even then you can do so. Draw diagrams when needed in answers. In any answers, if diagram is required, please write the diagram, please draw the diagram so that your answers can be perfect. Never leave programming based questions. Attempt as much as you can. Sometimes if some questions you are trying to solve and you don't get a proper answer, but still you have to attempt, because board give you the step wise marking. So every step has some marks, so you try to attempt every question. Don't leave any question unanswered, unattempted. Practice board sample paper and pre-board papers given to you. That will help you to prepare your board exams. So I hope all these points must help you to achieve better exam in boards. Thank you and Jai Hind. All the best for your board exams.